and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Engineer Johnny PIUS. We'll be dealing with horizontal alignment using Civil3D software developed by Autodesk. Basically, horizontal alignment of a road is usually a series of straight or tangents and circular curves, which may or may not be connected by transition curves. This typical Civil3D interface, the Civil3D 2023. We have points that define the alignment of the road. We imported from our previous video. These are the various ways you can create an alignment. For this case, we'll be dealing with creating alignments from objects. So we will first of all use the line command, or you can use the polyline actually to define the center line of your road or the horizontal alignment of your road. We'll click this point here near the junction, then click another point, draw lines that define the center line. We'll come again, create another center line that represents the tangents. You can adjust it a little bit, but don't worry, even when after we have created it, you can easily do the adjustments because Civil3D is quite flexible. We'll create a third tangent again that defines the center line of the alignments. We'll now use fillet command to link each of the tangents that define the center line of the road. We'll use a radius of 0. We'll click on the first tangent, click on the second one. Yes, they are linked now. Then second and third. So all of them are now linked, but no radius in between them. We'll go to the alignments, create alignments from objects. You select each of the tangents. Make sure you select appropriately. Then hit the enter key. If we are okay with the direction of the alignment, we can hit the enter key. Then here, we will now quickly go and adjust the label settings. We will prefer this particular one and leave the default radius of 200. Click on OK. As you can see, curves have been introduced, but we can adjust the labeling of the stations. For the major stations, I usually like, since it's a highway, we maintain an increment of 100. Then for the minor, 25. The minor has ticks, while the major has labels. Apply and OK. As you can see now, you see the interval of the major labels is 100, and you have ticks for the minor, which looks excellent. So we'll go ahead and create offsets. I'm using incremental offsets of 3.65. Click on OK. As you can see, this one looks like a standard single carriageway. We can go ahead and introduce labels with the alignment still selected. I prefer multiple segments, so you can label both the curves and the tangents. See all the curves parameters. You can adjust the radius. As you're adjusting, you can see the value is changing and other parameters are changing. You can also adjust you can move the PVIs. So Civil3D gives you that flexibility. It's quite a wonderful software. I advise you do quite a lot of practice, and I believe you get better. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and make comments on the comment section. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.